Hello students, in this video we will talk about speed. So speed is distance per unit time. This is the formula of speed, which is distance upon time. Speed is denoted by V, distance is denoted by S, and time is denoted by T. So V is equal to S by T. Now speed is a scalar quantity, means it only has magnitude but no direction. Then its SI unit is meter per second, meter for distance, and upon time, second for time. So it comes out to be meter per second. Other units which can be used for speed is centimeter per second or kilometer per hour. Now, while solving the numerical problems, sometimes you have to either convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, or maybe you have to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour to create the uniformity of the units. So if you have to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, then you can multiply the term directly with the 5 by 18. For example, if you have to convert 36 km per hour into meter per second, then you can directly multiply it with 5 by 18, and the answer which comes out to be is in meter per second. And in reverse case, if you have to calculate meter per second to kilometer per hour, then you have to multiply it with 18 by 5. For example, if you have to convert 10 meter per second into kilometer per hour, you can multiply 10 with 18 by 5, and the answers comes out to be in kilometer per hour. Now speedometer is the device which is used to measure speed. For in your vehicles you can see the instantaneous speed, means whenever you increase or decrease the speed, you can very easily see over a meter which is being displayed on your vehicle. So that is speedometer. It gives you the instantaneous speed, means the speed which is your vehicle is following at that particular time. Now uniform speed and non-uniform speed. Uniform speed means when a body covers equal distance in equal interval of time. It is same as the uniform motion. जब कोई body equal distance cover करती है in equal gap of time, interval means gap. So when a body covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then the body is said to be in uniform speed. For example, a car moving on a highway, because on a highway there is least traffic, so a car can very easily move in a uniform motion or in a uniform speed. Like distance 1 meter, time 1 second, means a body has covered 1 meter in 1 second, in 2 seconds it has covered 2 meter, in 3 seconds it has covered 3 meters. So if we will calculate the speed for any particular distance or time, it comes out to be 1 meter per second. For example, if I calculate for this speed, the formula for speed is equal to distance upon time. So if I calculate for this one, then 2 by 2 comes out to be 1 meter per second, 3 by 3 comes out to be 1 meter per second. So here the object is moving with the uniform speed. Then non-uniform speed, when a body is covering unequal distance in equal interval of time, then the body is said to be in non-uniform speed. Means when an object is covering unequal distance in equal gap of time, then body is in non-uniform motion or in non-uniform speed. For example, the car moving on a busy road, because on a busy road sometimes a car moves with greater speed and other time it moves with a slow speed, depends upon the traffic. For example, distance and time, if we calculate speed for any particular distance or time, it comes out to be different. For example, if I calculate for this, the speed comes out to be 1 meter per second. But if I calculate for example this, then it comes out to be 9 by 3, which is equal to 3 meter per second. So you can see that the object is not moving with the uniform speed. So I hope this topic of speed is clear to you. In case of any problem, please feel free to ask about your problems. Till then, take care and God bless you all.